Namaste everyone. Ka, ke and ki. How to use them in a Hindi sentence? Yes, this is the topic for today's video. Well, this is also a requested video by one of my followers, and for all those people who are little confused in the usage. So, are you ready? Let's start. First, we will understand what is ka, ke and ki in a Hindi sentence. Well, just like of and apostrophe s shows ownership and relation in a sentence of English, it is just exactly the same way we use ka, ke, ki in a Hindi sentence. Let's see some examples. This is Ram's bag. See, we are using apostrophe s to show ownership of the bag. This means that the bag belongs or is owned by Ram. Let us see another example. These are the students of that school. That means there is a particular school which we are talking about and the students belong to that school. Of that school means belongs to that school. Similarly, in Hindi, we will say Ram ka basta means Ram ka bag means Ram's bag. School ke vidyarthi means students of the school. See, ka and ke are used here to show ownership and relation in a Hindi sentence. Let us understand this concept using a few more examples and also understand certain golden rules. Okay, ready? Let's start. Now, the golden rule to use ka, ke, ki in Hindi. Ka, ke, ki do not depend on the person who owns the thing in a particular sentence, but the object that is being owned. Okay, confused, right? Let's see an example. Ram ka basta means Ram's bag. Here, you cannot use Ram ki basta. Why? Because here, Ram is a masculine singular noun, but we are not dependent upon the owner, that is Ram. We are dependent on the bag. Now, bag here is a singular masculine noun. That means basta is a singular masculine noun. That is why we are using ka. Second example. Ram ki kitab. Kitab here is a singular female noun. So, ka has now changed into ki. Ram ki kitab. Okay. Ram ka ghar. Ghar here is a singular masculine noun. Ram ka bagicha. Ram's garden. Ram ki beti. Ram ki behan. Ram ki billi. See, the behan, beti and billi is a female noun, singular noun. So, ka has changed into ki. Okay. I hope now you get the example. Let us see few more examples. So, let's see some sentences using masculine singular noun. This is my brother's phone, which will be said in Hindi like यह मेरे भाई का phone है. यह मेरे भाई का phone है. This is my brother's phone. The teacher's bag is new. अध्यापक का बैग नया है. अध्यापक का बैग नया है. The child's name is Rahul. बच्चे का नाम राहुल है. बच्चे का नाम राहुल है. In all the previous examples, the object, they are singular and masculine. Now what happens when the objects here or the things which are being owned are plural and masculine? Let us see what we use in Hindi. The ka now changes into ke. For example, they are the students of that school. यह उस स्कूल के विद्यार्थी हैं. Okay, school के विद्यार्थी. विद्यार्थी here are masculine nouns but plural in nature. So, K. Ka has now changed to K. First. Second is, the students' bags are outside. छात्रों के बैग बाहर हैं. छात्रों के बैग बाहर हैं. See, car has changed into K because now bag has become plural here. The sentence is using key. When we have to use key, we can use female nouns, both singular and plural. Let us see for the singular noun. This is my sister's dress. These are my sister's books. यह मेरी बहन की किताबें हैं. See, किताबें means female plural noun, but key remains the same like key. Okay. यह मेरी बहन की किताबें हैं. Second example, the teacher's books are new. अध्यापिका की किताबें नई हैं. You can also say अध्यापक की किताबें नई हैं. The teacher could be a male and a female here. So you can write अध्यापिका and अध्यापक, which will not be dependent, or this ka and ki is not dependent on them. So अध्यापिका की किताबें हैं. किताबें, females, plural noun. The children's books are on the table. बच्चों की किताबें मेज पर हैं. बच्चों की किताबें मेज पर हैं. The neighbor's cats are cute. पड़ोसी की बिल्लियां प्यारी हैं. पड़ोसी की बिल्लियां प्यारी हैं. See, बिल्ली, बिल्लियां, female plural nouns, की. अब we are using की for this. The girls' cats are hungry. लड़की की बिल्लियां भूखी हैं. लड़की की बिल्लियां भूखी हैं. The children's cats are sleeping. बच्चों की बिल्लियां सो रही हैं. बच्चों की बिल्लियां सो रही हैं. The teacher's chair is broken. अध्यापिका की कुर्सी टूटी हुई है. अध्यापिका की कुर्सी टूटी है. My mother's chair is comfortable. मेरी माँ की कुर्सी आरामदायक है. मेरी माँ की कुर्सी आरामदायक है. The girl's chair is near the table. लड़की की कुर्सी मेज के पास है. Okay. Now these are examples of singular female nouns. Okay, this kursi here is used as singular female noun. If had it been plural, we would have said kursiyan. Okay, I hope you remember it from the previous videos I have made. If not, it is written on the I button. Please go and check it out, or in the description below. Okay, fine. So that's the explanation about ka, ke, ki, students. Hope you have understood the concept. If there is any doubt, you may please put it as a comment in the description box, and I am going to answer them, all of them. Okay. So if there is anything which you would like me to make a video of next time regarding a spoken Hindi class, do let us know about your valuable comments. Subscribe to our channel if you like it, and share it with your friends who would like to learn Hindi from me. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.